This is the first video introducing webtonics.com/maps. This is how to create a basic runner map using this Google Map feature, or mashup as it's called. First time you come in, it will look like this, centered on Minneapolis, St. Paul. I live in the area, that's why it's centered here. In order to get to where you want to start, though, I'll show you. You put your address in here. I use this example of 234 North 4th Street in zip code 55082. Click locate, and there it centers the map on that address, and it puts a little blue dot here. You notice this little blue dot is going to look like some other points that will show up later on. It just tells you it's point number 0. It shows latitude, longitude, elevation, and you're at point 0, so there's no mileage or kilometers accumulated yet. Any point that I click on a map, Google Maps is going to determine the best driving directions to get to that point. So if I click over here, it's going to draw a line like that. I don't want to run that exact direction though, so I'm going to click undo over here, and then I click up here on just right around the corner on Linden Street, and then I go here. The reason I'm doing this is because I know that there's some stairs right here. Now if I click over here at the bottom of the stairs, since there's no streets, it's going to give me driving directions of how to get there, because this is really using a feature of Google Maps to get driving directions. That doesn't work for me though, so I'm going to undo that, and then I'm going to click straight, and I'm going to click there again, and now it just draws a straight line. It's not using the driving directions feature of Google Maps anymore. Now I go back to routes to use driving directions again, and I go up around the corner and come up here and then come back to my start point. You have to kind of click off to the side of a line a little bit because you can't click directly on the line. It doesn't work. Now you notice up here it put a little green marker. That tells me that it's exactly 1 mile from my start by the route that I'm taking up to that point. It's just a little informational thing. If you want to show kilometers as well, you can check the kilometers box, and it shows you here's 1 kilometer mark and here's the 2 kilometer mark. Scroll down a little bit. The whole entire route that we did is 1.573 miles, or 2.532 kilometers. And that is that for your basics of the runner map creation at webtonics.com.